Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot to analyze any page that you are on within the Microsoft Edge browser. So by default, whenever you open your Microsoft Edge browser, you should be able to see Copilot of your installed or already pinned at the top right. If you click on it, it is going to give you an overview of what that page is all about if you want to do that on the particular page that you're on. So let's say for this case, I want to try this page, which is showcasing Obasani. If you get biggest work projects and over 40 years as Obasani transparent himself into education, transforms to the campus. So I'm trying to see if the AI will be able to know exactly what is happening. It's just a web construction like expanded by the state governor, trying to see once you click to enable the tool, it is going to start it body right over here. Let's say for this case I've started, and you can see it by default was able to read that this is the page that I'm about. I can ask it questions. All right, so I can say, can you give me a quick summary of what this page is all about, for example, and I can just hit enter. Let's see what this is going to actually come up with. You can see the page is about a major infrastructure project at Ahmadu Bello University, led by the Kaduna State Government, led by the Saudi. It highlights that the university is receiving biggest road upgrade in over 40 years. Beside the key points to talk to forget about the scope of the project, the quality assurance, the impact, the leadership, the recognition, the broader efforts, community response. So in short, this page celebrates the transformational and infrastructure upgrades are even good, casing as a landmark intervention of that decades of network. So this is actually correct. And if you want, you can try any other page. So for example, I'm going to try which don't present international. Or example, I'm going over here to say new chat. I wanted to give me an overview of what is this, okay, what is it all about. So we can check about it. Please note programs, so on. This is just an overview. Now, once the AI is able to go with them, you can see by default, it already reads that with Wisdom Systems International page. So can you create a summary of this page, okay, about this page, so you can see clearly it is telling you that there's a clear summary of the main points when the Toastmaster 6 National Program page you are viewing. Think core opens the pathway learning experience, speech digital experience, the path youth programs, is that. And anyway, like the growth principles, influential learning, peer feedback, mentoring, self-paced progress, key takeaways that you can put from this, as well as get the key takeaways. You can see it is actually well. So the key thing is to be able to know what alternative points. If you want to have an understanding of what that page is, just click to run it, then you can be able to say, give me a summary about it, what is in this page. But the fact you can do specific, I say that, can you tell me more about why people join Postmasters? As far as it's in there, you can answer questions directly as content in the page we're on. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Microsoft Copilot to access and explain any page using within Microsoft Edge. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next one. Bye.